want to introduce you to Felix Rüsch. Felix Rüsch is the CEO of the company cleanfix. So Felix, the first time I visited you in Switzerland, I was deeply impressed by your nice cleaning robot, and it showed me also that the digitalization will not stop, even not in the cleaning industry. So you have also integrated ultra wideband tag on your robot. Where do you see the benefits for your product?
Yes, hi Daniel. That's true. Even in the cleaning and in the floor cleaning, the customers look for future products. They look for digitalization, and we have a good machine which works properly in the environments. But our future look for more benefits, how they can maybe prevent that the dirt goes away. And therefore we have a good example here. So it can be that maybe an accident happens in a factory. It can be some oil or some other dirt on the floor. In a train station or in a shopping center, it could be some sticky stuff. What happens if you don't clean that immediately? There is the risk that you spread this away. It can be by the shoes, by the forklift wheels, whatever. It goes in the factory, it goes to the stairs, maybe in the offices. So that means later on it's much more complicated to clean it, and it costs you more time and more money. We can do that with Omlox. We can localize this easily. The signal can go to the machine. We can say go quickly and clean this selective spot, and then he can go and do that we can prevent that the dust and the dirt goes not around. As you can see, life can be easy. So the machine already works, but with this localization Omlox, we have more possibilities and more ideas and things to do together.
Perfect. That's a neat application. I'm really looking forward what you're going to provide in the future.
Great.
Thank you, Felix.